IONK stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday and onwards is IONQ Incorporated stock buy. I'll be breaking this down in this quick short 1 minute video. Simply all I'll be sticking to is my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos. First thing on the list is that you should understand that I've been buying this thing for a very long time and then started consolidating here, which I bought once, right, when it did deliver. It was very nice. And then here's the proof of that, of me buying. But then you can see I was waiting for a double break, never got the double break, therefore I never moved forward, you know. And currently how things are looking like for me is, let me just take this. Actually, like simply put, the only thing that's going to make this be a bullish thing for me is if I start seeing breaks above this top, like genuinely speaking. Yeah, right now we could be just easily mitigating some demand zones here, which again I would say fair enough, but doesn't immediately make it a buy, you know what I mean? So we'll be definitely waiting for a double break. If there is not a double break, I'm not looking to move forward whatsoever. Same like will look approximately something like this. Yeah, that would be a swing, but it's not gonna be if my rules are not met. So if you want to move forward and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.